Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to go over the Mass Actions tab. So first we're going to start off by going to our items. And now you can go over to the right hand side and click on the Mass Actions. And here you have a multitude of things that you can do here, right? But first, let me show you here on the right-hand side, you have your Mass Actions tab here. You can either click All, and that's going to click all 100 items on the screen. Or you can click All again, and that's going to take everything back off. Or you can just click each item one at a time, depending on what you're doing under the Mass Action tab here. So let's say we're going to update quantity, right, on some items. Let's say I'm going to update quantity on my chili fries, my Hawaiian burger, and my test kava shell. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click Update Quantity. And it's going to ask me which location. I'm going to choose the Atlanta location, and we're just going to put 50 for all three of these. Okay, beautiful. And now under the Lifelong Atlanta location, we have 50 of each quantity for each of these items. Now, let's say I wanted to go delete an item. Let's say it's that 60-ounce coffee. I just click here, go back under my Mass Action tab, delete. This will delete one product. Yes, do it. And it will tell you here it deleted a product. An automatic backup was made. So if you ever make a mistake, just let us know. We can help you with that. Okay. And under this Mass Action tab, you do have, again, a multitude of things. So if you have your label printer hooked up to your computer or laptop, you can print labels from here. You could click, all of your items, print labels. It's going to ask you, do you want to print 100 labels? It would print 100 labels for that. Or you want to print 2 labels? Sure. Do you want to print a custom of that? Let's say I want to print 50 of these 3 items, 50 labels for these 3 items, right? Because we have 50 of those. Perfect, I can do that. Easy peasy. We can update brand. We can update tax class. We can update a surcharge price. We can do so many different things here. So when you guys have a minute, go to your Mass Actions area and just see all of the things that you can do here. This makes your inventory life so much easier on a day-to-day basis. So just wanted to show you guys that. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And if you all have any questions at all, please reach out to us at 678-201-0911. Thanks, guys.